Peace and power, and welcome back to KTsAlchmy. My name is Nina. I'm Katie's granddaughter, and today we're getting back into the big book of chart patterns. We are on chart pattern 33 and 34. Chart pattern 33 is what you're looking at on the screen, which is a pipe top. This is the directional bias of this pattern is bearish. The pattern type is a reversal. Pattern description: two consecutive upward intra-week price spikes on a weekly chart. Volume description: volume tends to be higher for the left spike than the right, but both weeks tend to have above average volume. Breakout confirmation: a close below the lowest low of the two weekly spikes with above average volume. Measuring techniques: subtract the height of the highest high and lowest low of the two pipes and then subtract it from the lowest low. Statistical notes: throwbacks hurt performance and wider ranges between the highs and the lows perform better than shorter ranges. A right spike range that falls within the range of the left spike performs best. And so that is what you're looking at on the screen. This is also another look at a pipe top and also a pipe bottom. But right here, we're focusing on the pipe top. Now, the next chart pattern is the rectangle bottoms. Now, the directional bias could be bullish or bearish. Pattern type: reversal or continuation. Pattern description: a rectangle is a non-directional pattern that can result in either a bullish or bearish breakout. A rectangle bottom is defined by the previous downtrend before the formation. The formation is when the price oscillates between the two horizontal price levels or channel. Volume description: volume tends to decrease throughout the formation regardless of the direction it breaks out and expands on the breakout. Breakout confirmation: a close above or below the channel with above average volume. Measuring technique: subtract the height of the highest high and lowest low of the channel and then add or subtract that amount from the channel depending on the direction it breaks out. Statistical notes: throwbacks hurt performance and wider ranges between the highs and lows perform better than shorter ranges. Rectangles without a pre-formation rise or fall and which having rising volume trends perform best. And so this is what you're looking at on the screen: rectangle bottoms, and they can be bullish or bearish. And here is a bullish rectangle pattern. Peace and power.